Hi, I'm Blair Lehman, Product Service Manager at Komatsu. In this episode of instructional videos on hydraulic breakers, I'll provide some tips on how to properly store your hydraulic breakers so they can continue working productively and help you reduce the costs of constantly replacing them. When storing your breaker, it's always best to put the appropriate plugs on the breaker and the excavator couplings. This helps reduce oil leaks and prevents dust or moisture from entering and contaminating the breaker or hydraulic system. Contamination can be very damaging to a hydraulic system's performance and the system itself. You should also use a rust inhibitor on the visible part of the piston and the entire tool to avoid oxidation. Oxidation weakens the surface of the tool and can destroy its effectiveness and cause them to break entirely. Lastly, cover the breaker and store it in a clean, dry, temperature-controlled area with the chuck housing lower than the back head. In this position, moisture will drain away from the piston. Remember that contamination can happen in any part of the process, during maintenance or out in the field or even during storage. Contamination from moisture is very difficult to spot visually, so taking the extra time to properly store your hydraulic breaker will help reduce the possibilities of exposure. To see more in this series of instructional videos on hydraulic breakers, visit us at komatsu.com.